Welcome to our in-depth roundup of the best rubber mallets, your ultimate guide to choosing the perfect soft impact tool for precision work, durability, and everyday use. Whether you're installing flooring, assembling furniture, working on woodworking projects, or handling automotive repairs, a reliable rubber mallet is an essential addition to your toolbox. Unlike traditional metal hammers, rubber mallets are designed to deliver controlled force without damaging surfaces. They're ideal for tasks where you need to apply pressure without leaving dents, scratches, or marks. From soft taps to more firm strikes, the right mallet can make your work easier, cleaner, and more professional. In today's guide, we'll explore 5 of the best rubber mallets available, breaking down their features, performance, and value so you can make the best choice. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Buston Double-Faced Soft Hammer Mallet, a versatile and user-friendly option that's perfect for both beginners and experienced users. This mallet stands out thanks to its dual-faced design, which typically combines 2 different striking surfaces. This allows you to switch between softer and slightly firmer impacts depending on the job at hand, giving you greater control and flexibility. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, especially during extended use. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort and helps reduce hand fatigue, which is particularly useful for repetitive tasks. Whether you're assembling furniture, working on small DIY projects, or adjusting delicate components, this mallet provides the precision and control you need. It's an excellent entry-level choice for anyone looking for versatility and ease of use in one tool. Coming in at number 4 is the Edward Tools Rubber Mallet Hammer, a dependable and well-built tool designed for consistent performance. This mallet features a solid rubber head that delivers reliable impact while minimizing bounce, allowing for more controlled strikes. This makes it especially useful for tasks that require accuracy, such as tile installation or light construction work. The handle is typically designed for durability and grip, ensuring stability during use. Many users appreciate the balanced weight distribution, which makes it easier to apply force without overexerting yourself. This mallet is a great option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who want a straightforward, reliable tool that performs well across a variety of tasks. If you value durability and consistent performance, the Edward Tools Rubber Mallet Hammer is a strong contender. At number 3, we have the Twing Rubber Mallet, a premium option from a brand known for producing high-quality, long-lasting tools. Twing has built a reputation for durability and craftsmanship, and this mallet lives up to those expectations. It is designed to handle demanding tasks while maintaining precision and control. The rubber head is engineered to provide strong, non-marking impact, making it suitable for both delicate and heavy-duty applications. The handle is typically built for comfort and durability, allowing for extended use without discomfort. Users often highlight the solid feel and excellent balance of this mallet, which contributes to more accurate and efficient work. This mallet is ideal for professionals or serious DIY users who need a dependable tool that can withstand regular use. Whether you're working on construction projects, woodworking, or general repairs, the Twing Rubber Mallet offers the performance and reliability you can count on. Moving on to number 2, the Saker Flooring Tools Rubber Mallet is specifically designed for flooring applications, making it a top choice for anyone working with laminate, hardwood, or vinyl flooring. This mallet is built to provide precise, controlled strikes that help lock flooring pieces into place without causing damage. One of its key features is the non-marking rubber head, which ensures that delicate flooring materials remain free from dents and scratches. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort and control, allowing you to work efficiently over longer periods. This is especially important during flooring installation, where repeated tapping is required to achieve a seamless finish. The Saker mallet excels in delivering consistent results, making it a favorite among homeowners and professionals alike. If you're planning a flooring project or frequently work with materials that require careful handling, this mallet is an excellent investment. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Hashtol Rubber Mallet Hammer, a standout choice that combines durability, versatility, and overall performance. This mallet is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from light DIY work to more demanding construction applications. The rubber head provides strong yet controlled impact, ensuring effective performance without damaging surfaces. Its sturdy construction ensures long-term durability, even with frequent use. The handle is ergonomically designed to offer a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue and improving control during extended projects. What sets the Hastoll mallet apart is its balance of power and precision. It's capable of delivering firm strikes when needed while still maintaining the finesse required for delicate tasks. This makes it a versatile tool that can handle everything from assembling furniture to working on larger construction projects. Choosing the right rubber mallet depends on your specific needs and the type of work you plan to do. If you need a versatile and lightweight option, the Buston mallet is a great starting point. For reliable everyday use, the Edward Tools mallet offers consistent performance. The Estwing mallet is ideal for those who demand durability and professional-grade quality. If you're focused on flooring installation, the Saker mallet is specifically designed for that purpose. And if you want a well-rounded tool that excels in multiple applications, the Hastoll rubber mallet hammer is the best overall choice. It's also important to consider factors such as head material, weight, and handle design when choosing a mallet. Softer rubber heads are better for delicate surfaces, while firmer heads provide more impact for tougher tasks. A comfortable handle ensures better control and reduces fatigue, especially during prolonged use. Investing in a high-quality mallet not only improves your efficiency, but also helps protect your materials from damage. Another advantage of rubber mallets is their versatility. They can be used in a wide range of applications, including woodworking, automotive repairs, construction, and home improvement projects. This makes them one of the most useful and adaptable tools you can own. And that brings us to the end of our review of the best rubber mallets available today. From the versatile Buston double-faced soft hammer mallet, the reliable Edward Tools rubber mallet hammer, the durable Estwing rubber mallet, the specialized Saker Flooring Tools rubber mallet, to our top pick, the Hastoll rubber mallet hammer. There's a perfect option here for every user and every project. Which rubber mallet would you choose for your toolbox? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for current prices and deals so you can get the best value today. Thanks for watching.